And there you have it. Here's the gimbal for it. I actually like it. I only bought it because it has the extension rod and also the tracking device. I have tried the Hoem, but I went with this one just because of the comfortable grip compared to the Hoem. I'm sorry if I say that wrong, but that's pretty much what I got. And here's just the quick info for it. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And there it is. There it is. And there it is, how it's opened. And power it up. Start to calibrate by itself. And this is what I was trying to point out. I did it for the grip, so here. Yeah, you can just see the power buttons on that, so yeah, let me just connect it some more. Really not that much, but here's the thing for the box, for the DJI app, and how to set it up. And here's the clip. And here it is. Here's the magnetic clip, extra accessories for the wrist, charging cable, I believe, whatever this is. Oh, it's just for to attach to this magnetic clip. And then I believe this is, yeah, like a little tripod setup right here. Yeah, quick setup. Yeah, so here's that little tripod thing. Yeah, charger. It's on. And then there's that magnetic clip. Let me just do it again for you guys. That's it. Give it a hard shake. Yeah. Yeah, definitely not coming off. Harder, yeah, but fairly good. Yeah. There it is. I'll just give a quick little example. I use my old iPhone 6. You can just see how old and broken it is. Like a little worn out. The screen nearly popped off, but it still works. But let's try it out. And then that's me controlling with the joystick. And then here's a better close-up look of how it is. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. Here's a close-up of it. You can just see it, have it on a tripod or take it off however you please. Yeah, you see it stays on, stabilizes. Yeah, I like it. I don't think it's bad at all. That's just me like on controlling it on the joystick. Overall, good. And that is my first impressions, quick review of it. I definitely recommend it. So stick around, because again, as I said earlier, I'll definitely try to put it in use, and who knows, maybe make some vlogs with it when I go travel or something, or time lapses, whatever it is. Thank you. And here it is, the new feature to be able to extend it. Pretty good length to it, if you tell me, right there. And here's the magnetic clip. Yeah. Oh, and here's a little travel bag, like accessory bags to put everything here. Magnetic clip. So there you have it. That's pretty much it for the unboxing and first impressions of it. I actually like it. Hope to put it in use. Stick around because more likely than not, I'll just use it for time lapses, maybe for some travel vlogs. Yeah, because I really want to do more of that. So again, here, thank you for watching. Have a good one.